Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Sajid, and you're watching my YouTube channel. Okay, right, so today we will study how to access tuple items in Python. So, as you know, in our last video, we introduced tuple. This is one of the data type in Python. So let's start. So we in our last video we have seen that we define or create tuple by having this definition. This is this code line. This tuple is equal to apple, and then in your round bracket you are putting your values in it, and all these values are stored in this tuple. Okay, right, so now let's suppose we have defined our tuple and we want to access the values in it. So first method which we are going to look at is that we can access the value by using the index number, because in tuple all values are stored with the index numbers, and the first item has index 0, then we have 1, 2, and so on. Yeah, so for this code here, if we access the tuple at index 1, the output will be a banana. So let's try this thing on our anaconda font. Right, so we create this tuple is equal to apple, and let's not make it very lengthy, just simple this, and print this tuple at 1. Yeah, okay, so what happened, this spelling mistake. I just, when defining tuple, I put there y. Yeah, so that was a mistake. So now the output is banana. It means we can access the values from tuple with the index number. If we look at 0, see, is first item apple. Okay, so this is how we access items in tuple by using index numbers. Okay, next move to next slide. In previous slide we have seen the index numbering starts from left, it goes to right. First item is at index 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, like so on. But if we access the tuple from the right or from the end, we can say the indexing is negative. Last item is at index -1, and to the left it decreases further, like it becomes first one is -1, then -2, -3, -4, like this. So banana will be -2, apple will be -3. So let's try to try one example. This is our prompt. So we have a list, we have a tuple with the wrong spelling. So let's try to access the last item in it, and we say print this tuple at -1, right? And it is banana, because in this tuple we have two items. First is apple, second one is banana, so the last item will be negative banana. And if I make it -2, it is apple. From the right to left, or from end to towards start, this is our second item. At -2 it is apple. Okay, so this is the way, as you can call it, second method to access values or items from right to left or from end towards start using negative indexing. Okay, so next look at the range. This is our, we can say, third method, where we can give a range of index for which we can access values. So items. Okay, so let's make our list with maybe for a little bigger tuple with more items. Tuple is equal to let's make them simple. A for apple, B for banana, and C for cherry. Okay, and O for orange, and K for kiwi, and M for melon. Right? Okay, I think, or maybe we can also put MA for mango. Okay, and maybe this melon can be ME. Okay, so right, so this tuple is ready, and I want to access this tuple in the range of 2 to 5, and now you see output. See here, 2 to 5 we have COK, like cherry, orange, and kiwi. So we have here A is apple at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is melon and A is 0. When we say 2 to 5, it means we will be starting from index 2, which is cherry, and up to 5. 5 is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 melon. But keep remember, the last item is not included. It is like selected up to 4. So 4th item is kiwi. So we have cherry, orange, and kiwi as the output. Right, so this is another method to access the items in tuple with using range. Next we look at range of indexing. See here, I mean, if I don't give starting point, leave it blank, by leaving out the start value, the range will start at the first item. Yeah, so this was my, okay, so here we have our tuple ready. So if I remove this starting point and call it 4 and enter, see here, I have A, B, C, O, right? Apple, banana, cherry, and orange as the output. Okay, right. So next you see it is starting from index 0 by default, because we have not mentioned the starting point. Similarly, we can leave out the end point and it will start from where we tell it to start. Like here in this example, I say I want to start from 2, but I want to go up to end. So end index I'm not mentioning. Okay, see here, now it starts at index 2, 0, 1, 2. 2 is cherry and goes up to mango. Okay, so this is how the range of index method works, by not mentioning start or end point. Similarly, we can have range of the negative indexes. So negative indexes, as you know, works from right or from the end side, and the last item, this mango, is -1, then melon is -2, -3 is kiwi, and -4 is orange. So when I am executing this example, print this tuple -4 to -1. So -4 item, which is orange, is displayed first. Then we have -3 kiwi and -1 melon. So this is how this negative indexing work. Okay, so next let's look at next concept, which is check if item exists. So if I want to know if certain item exists or not in my tuple, what I need to do. So if to determine if a specified item is present in a tuple, use the in keyword. In keyword, we will use with if statement, and then we will see if the certain thing is present or not. So sorry, yeah, this is my prompt. Okay, we have a tuple with a, b, c, o, k, m, e, n. I want to know if, for example, if c is cherry is present or not in this tuple. Okay, and if it is found, I say cherry is there. Okay, right, and that's it. Because c is there in the tuple, the answer is cherry is there. If I try to find something, sorry, yeah, cherry is there, yeah, right. So this was the last thing. Here I will wrap up the video, and here we have learned how to access items in the tuple by using indexing, positive indexing, negative indexing, and then we studied the ranges with starting point not mentioned and endpoint not mentioned. Then we have seen how to check if certain item exists in the tuple or not. So here I would conclude this video, and please subscribe our channel, and I'll be back with more videos on Python programming language soon. Till that time, take care, bye bye, and Allah Hafiz.